Welcome back. So today is the last day of the month. I'm out of day trades. This is how I did for the month. I'm up 73.93 if you calculate in all the borrow fees from trade zero. I'm not really calculating in the fees from IB, and I think that the fees at IB are somehow considerably less. I'm not sure, but um it seems high. And compared to last month, I was down $140. I wasn't making much on my wins and I was losing more. Um, like my biggest loss wasn't bigger than my biggest profit. Um, I had a high percentage of losses. My biggest loss being 36%, way higher than my biggest gain. Same thing, my average loss was higher than my average gain. I had some huge spills. And right around here, I made a decision to only have 10 cents of risk whenever entering a trade. And I think that's worked out much better for me. Like if you look at the earlier part of the month, I was losing $50, 41, 25. This whole month was completely done by shorting, no going long. Um, and so my average win is 31, right? My loss is less than my win. That's in a good direction. My biggest profit is bigger than my biggest loss. My average win is almost twice as much as my average loss. Um, this was the only 10%. Like, this was my biggest loss that I had. But if you can see, like, it was the only one. Because this was around, no, it was like the 13th, I think. Or when was it? The 15th that I decided to do. So right around here, like the losses get really low. There was just a 5% loss on this one where I got squeezed a little bit. But other than that, like I'm not taking 10% losses anymore. But I am making it an average, it looks like of about 4, 6. So that's cool. Um, Going in the right direction. And last time I made 46 trades, out of which 21 were correct for a 45% win rate. So my win rate is higher this time around. Um, and I'm just happy to be green on the month. Good job, Liz, for all this hard work. Um, and I think whenever I think of what are my trading rules, the song 10 Crack Commandments come on in my mind. And it's like, I got to keep my commandments. And another commandment I'm going to enter is no shorting offerings on their first public announcement, because I've been noticing for a while now that whenever like I get excited and I short a public offering, immediately it goes against me. So I'm going to wait for the second day on those. Or at least until a high has been put in, because I feel like they always squeeze shorts on those public offerings. So, what were the rules that helped me this month? It was cutting all losses at a 10%. What am I saying? Cutting all of my trades at a 10-cent risk level, regardless of wherever I get in, and using like support lines and resistant lines to figure out where I'm going to exit my trade, going in with a trade plan, going in with an exit plan. I mean, leaving with a risk level. Um, and that's it for this month. So thank you for watching. I can now say that I'm consistently profitable after it took me about 4.75 years to become consistently profitable. 4.5 years, I think I got to profitable with that 1 month in October or November where I made $300. And now I can say consistently profitable because I had another profitable month finally. Because January was a flop, February was a flop, and then I got really serious about my rules, my risk level, and just the way that I wanted to trade and doing exclusively short sells. And it looks like it's working in my favor. So thank you so much. Bye bye.